No wonder the DG said they subtracted 9 points from you. If you want to get your 9 points back, let me hear you as those who actually supposed to be the first. PDP!
Power to the people!
PDP!
Power to the people!
Power to the people!
PDP!
Power to our women!
PDP!
Power to our youth!
PDP!
Power to Obia!
PDP!
Power to Constituency 1!
PDP!
2.
PDP!
Frankly speaking, today is the day I am sure that the DG, the chairman of the party, our dear leaders of the party can say to themselves, indeed, this is the mother of all rallies.
Nyesom!
Before we came in my house, some of the leaders were complaining. Why should they make Obiakpo to be the last venue of the rally? I said, whether you make them first, you be at the beginning, in the middle, or the last. In terms of mobilization, in terms of anything you want to talk about, you are the best.
Nyesom!
Yeah. Followed by Ghana local government.
Nyesom!
Followed by Akukotoro local government.
Nyesom!
All the other local governments, you can place yourself where you want to place yourself.
Anywhere you like.
Anywhere you know you fit in, put yourself there. But sincerely, let me thank the leadership of the party in its LGA for your unity, for working together to produce this marvelous result. I'm sure you have watched some presidential rallies where they have used state rally. Some of the presidential rallies cannot come even 2 times of this. Look at the venue. This is local government. And the attendance here is what we call those who determine how election will take place. So I sincerely thank you. I also sincerely thank you. Since 1999, I started this race. You have been of tremendous support. Each time I call on you, you have always been there for us. So I thank you because this appears to be my last address to you in a rally as the governor of Rivers State. Let me say it clearly here. The incoming governor, whether anybody likes it or not, I can bet and tell you, he's a very humble person, he's a very committed person, and he's not going to disappoint the people of the state. One thing you must take, he's not a talking type. He's not a talking type, but he is the working type. I cannot have done what I've done and then go and support somebody who will not replicate or do better than what we have done. He was the Accountant General of the state. The debt on our gains. And that is why we refuse to bring any of those bogey people. All those buccaneers. All those tigers who are looking what they will grab. We want how the state will continue in progress, how the state will continue in development. And that is why they cannot come back home. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Let me tell you, all the other candidates, the senatorial candidates, my deputy chairman, Dr. Iparibo Haribanigo, Chief Oluwelo Yesu, and Barinada Impiki, and all the House of Reps candidates and the Assembly candidates. Let me tell you people, if any of them likes, let them go to Abuja and misbehave. We'll teach them lesson as we are teaching these other people now. I want to sound it clear. All of them are hearing me. If they are not here, they are watching the television. If you follow these betrayers, we will place a curse on you and you will suffer the way they are suffering. So if you have in mind to do that, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Because we carry a lot of grace. It is not by our powers. It is how it has willed the Almighty God. We have never survived politically without people fighting us, right from chairmanship to now. So nobody should be afraid. This is the way we have always had it. At the end of the day, we shall be triumphed. So let nobody bother yourself. So many people talk about Obiakpor local government. And just like what my coming successor said, this is a city. Virtually all of them here live in Port Harcourt and Obiakpor. Virtually. Even some of them from here go to their villages to hold meeting and come back the same night. I have told them, why not stay permanently in your place? But they will not allow us to rest here. So when we are doing project, the project is not only for the people of Obiakpor. The project of everybody doing business and living in Obiakpor. It's the biggest local government in terms of population and whatever you can say. So I'm not worried. I'm happy. If you ask me, you were a governor, what did you do? I can come back home with my shoulders high, beat my chest, and go to my people. I have not disappointed my people. Have I disappointed you? Now hear this well. What is going on in Nigeria? We are going to vote for unity of Nigeria. We are going to vote for equity, fairness, and justice. And that is why I salute the APC governors who came out to say, look, for this country to be united, for this country to move together as a country, as one united country, that there is indeed for power to shift. That we are not greedy. They know that Nigeria is such a country that it requires unity. Those who are greedy about power, you can get power, you may not have peace. Is it not better to have peace so that when you become president, you can govern the people well? Not be so?
That's so.
Do you want a place that is a crisis?
No.
Anybody that has no interest as far as this state is concerned, we are not going to vote there.
Yes, sir.
We are going to vote for people who have interest of our state. Time has passed when you will tell me Rivers State already produced a high number of votes. I have no problem about that. In return, what have we gotten? So you must tell Rivers people, now, if we vote for you, this is what we have. Politics is you do for me, you fall for me, if you push me, if you love me. So most of you have been carried away. You have been carried away. Ibiri kambirio, You don't need anybody to now tell you where you should vote. It's very simple. You want to be living. You don't want people to live. It can never be well. It's only when you have lived, I have lived, that things will move on. So having that at the back of your mind, you will go back. We have instructed the leaders, word by word. In our local government, the leaders will tell you what was decided. If you want me to survive politically, follow the way we are going. Do you understand? We will not support those who say when they come to power, they will kill me. We will not support those who say when they come to power, they will jail me. Will you allow them to kill me? Will you allow them to kill me? Will you vote for those who don't want us to exist? Are you sure? Are you sure? Truly, you will go with us.
Yes.
You will go with us.
Yes.
Sure. Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you very much, and God bless you.